All right, going in for wave 47 of 150. Let's see. Good starting bonuses. I don't really like that special one. We'll go with the S cannon. I guess we'll do EM coil. Hopefully, I get some range increases here soon. Need to increase the range to make it effective. Yeah, I like the chain ball spike. Yeah, stick with the S cannon. What do we got here? Go S cannon again. Those dogs are kind of strong. Left path, need a right path. Ideally, it's left path, right path, and then equal path gives you 150% plus on damage. There we go. There's right path. Yeah, let me just use that to get rid of this guy quicker. Hopefully I get the bullet size. There we go. Penetration +1. Yep, that's even better. On the right track. All I need is equal path. Adds 150 damage. 150% that is. Size. Go range. That's what we need right there. Increase that range. Okay, ooh, magnet. Just sit here. Kill for a little bit. Let the green crystals build up. Get the magnet and then level up like 5 times, hopefully. Honestly, I think you could probably sit here the rest of the game. I think I'm strong enough. See if I can get rid of him. Nope. Let's get the magnet. We'll go with the lightning storm. Oh, he got me. Here we go. What are we gonna get? Add size. We'll bounce, and then lightning storm. We'll go spike size. Alright, got rid of him. Let's do a giant. No, wait. Black hole range. What's in the box? Coins. Alright. I'll just hang out around here for when the boss comes. I have that power up and med kit. Those guys will get you if you let them. Range, nice. %80 through. Pretty much, I think we could just camp out here for a little while. The War Machine, pretty strong once you get him leveled up in the game. Alright. About 9% more. Increase the size. So this game is definitely a lot more interactive than the High Sea Hero one that I'm playing now. So this is kind of the one I've been going back to, Mech Assemble. All right, who we got? The Venomous Flower. Yeah, let's get this, and I think will be quick work. Bring in the Thunder Beast for backup. Yeah, quick work. That's it. Wave 47 done.